Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how you enable autosave in MS Excel. Okay, first of all, I want to make sure that if you want to autosave your MS Excel information, data, file or anything, you have to connect your Microsoft account with OneDrive first. After that, your MS Excel file, data or anything will be autosave. Now, in order to enable it, just go on the Excel. Go over here on file on top left corner. Just go over here on option on bottom left corner. Now head over to save right over here and make sure that this checkbox is enabled. Auto save files stored in the cloud default by Excel. Save auto recover information every. You can choose minutes here. Like if you want to save your file, auto save your file every 10 minutes, you can choose it from here, or 1 minute. You can also choose it from here. For example, I want to save my file every 1 minute. So I will select 1 minute and just click on OK. Now from here on top left, enable this switch. As you can see, you have to connect with your OneDrive account first. So just connect it and enjoy the feature. So that's it for the video. That's how you can enable autosave in MS Excel. Thanks for watching.